for joining me back in learning how to do your foundation row or your first set of chains. If you haven't already, take a look at how to make a slip knot like this one, as well as finding the most comfortable way for you to hold your hook and yarn. If you've already watched those videos, you are now ready to see how you do your first set of chains. So once you have found the position that you like the most on how to hold your hook and yarn, you will then move forward on making your first set of chains. So you're going to first yarn over, and this motion right here is called yarning over. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to turn your hook, and you're going to make sure that it's actually hooking the yarn. Okay, you see that it's actually hooking the yarn. So we're going to hook the yarn and we're going to pull through this loop. And you just made your very first chain. We're going to do that several more times. We're going to yarn over. We're going to turn our hook. We're going to hook the yarn and we're going to pull through. Yarn over, turn your yarn or hook so that it's hooking the yarn, and pull through. When you're holding your hook, you're going to hold your hook. There are different ways that you can hold your hook. The way that I like to hold it is with my pinky, my ring finger, and my middle finger gripping the bottom, and then my thumb on top, and then my index finger underneath. So as I'm yarning over and I hook my yarn, you see my hand start to turn to where my index finger is now on the top until I turn it back over. And that's how I hold my hook. Some people hold it differently, and there are different ways that you can hold it, but it's important to know that you hold your hook in the most comfortable way it is for you to hold your hook. And that is all that's to it in learning how to do your first set of chains. I hope this was helpful. Please join me back in my next video where I will show you how to do your second row, how to do single crochet. Join me back. I'll see you soon. Happy crocheting. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Happy crocheting.